Most schematics will contain multiple copies of very similar symbols. Normally we use the attribute editor to set the name, value, footprint, dev map attributes of each symbol. This manual editing of attributes is not very efficient when a large number of copies need to be set up with mostly the same values. One way to speed this up is to place new symbols by copying existing symbols with attributes already set up from the sheet instead of placing fresh symbols from the library. Copy and paste will preserve attributes, so repetitive parts will need only the name attributes changed. This can be done quickly with hotkeys. AA, type new value, press enter, press escape. When assigning unique names, we had to edit each symbol separately. But when the same attribute change needs to be done to multiple symbols, there's an easier way, using prop edit to edit multiple symbols at once. First, select the symbols to be changed. Then invoke the property editor from the menu or using key EP. The scope of the property editor will be selected objects. Making any change to properties or attributes will affect every selected object. This method can be used to unify attributes of multiple symbols, but does not solve the problem with unique symbol names, where we need a different attribute value for each symbol. For unique naming, sch-rnd offers a renumber plugin. It changes the name of multiple symbols by keeping the non-numeric prefix and replacing the numeric suffix incrementally to unique values per prefix. The renumber is normally run only on selected symbols. Base is the first numeric suffix that the plugin tries to assign. Increment is done by geometric sorting of the symbols in the direction selected. In this example, we first renamed our new capacitors to C1 to C4 from left to right. Using a different base number is useful when numeric parts of the names refer to the section of the drawing. For example, a block of symbols are numbered from 100, another block from 200. The plugin can handle renumbering of different kinds of symbols, keeping their prefixes. Note how C's numbering started from 1, but R's numbering started from 5. This is because R1 to R4 are already used in the sheet by symbols we are not renaming. The plugin makes sure no existing name is reused, considering all symbols on the current sheet.